Hello and welcome to How to Play Gobblet, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the board game Gobblet. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need the Gobblet game set. Each player will choose a color of goblets to play. Each player will have 12 goblets. The goblets are 4 different sizes that stack together into 3 stacks. These 3 stacks are arranged in front of each player to set up the game. The outermost goblet in a stack is the external goblet. The object of the game is to be the first player with 4 goblets in a row. The row of 4 can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. During the gameplay, players will take turns making one move at a time. A move can be made by placing an external goblet on the board, moving a goblet already on the board to a different space, or by gobbling up a smaller goblet on the board with a bigger goblet already on the board. The game starts with the first player placing an external goblet on the board. Once the goblet is placed, play moves to the opponent to place an external goblet on the board. Play returns to player 1. Player 1 can place another external goblet on the board or move their goblet on the board to another space. Player 1 places another goblet on the board. Play moves to player 2, and players continue to take turns making moves. Skipping ahead to the end of a game, player 1 is able to get a horizontal line of 4 to win this game. A bigger goblet can gobble up any smaller goblet. It doesn't have to be just one size smaller. When an opponent has 3 goblets in a row, a player is allowed to gobble up one of the 3 goblets with an external goblet. Once a goblet is touched on the board, the goblet has to be moved. The game is a tie if 3 repetitions of identical moves between players occur. That wraps up How to Play Gobblet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.